Welcome guys. Now in this video I have brought something that you need to understand about integers. Here you will really understand something new and you will be excited about that. Let's see. So here I wrote a program in which I declared a equals to 3, b equals to 2 and the third variable is result that is not used. Now I declared result is equals to a divided by b. That means b will divide to a. We all know if it divide 3 by 2 then the answer is 1.5, isn't it? Now let us see. Print f. Result is modulus d result. Alt F9. Success. Control F9. Oh, the result is 1. How come it be true? It is not true. We all know 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, but it shows only 1. It is because we have used integer type. See, we have declared a, b and result as integer. So integer means you cannot get access to point side. So answer is 1.5, but being integer it won't return you 1.5. It will return you the lesser whole number. So just from 1.5 which whole number is near the lesser one, that is 1. So it displays 1, but the actual answer is 1.5, right? Now if you want the actual answer, then it is in float point, so we need to declare result as float, right? Float means it will handle decimal values. Now let's see. Alt F9. Success. Okay, Alt F9. Oh no, the result is 0 it says, but how come it be true? 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So I might have made mistake. Oh yeah, I need to look on this. Modulus d is for integer and modulus f is used for float type. See, I have declared a and b as integer and float, and result is declared under float, means result can hold a value of decimal points. But here I have defined modulus d, but we all know result is a float type, so we need to change whatever we need to print. We are printing result, right? It is float point, so we will cancel this, put alt F9, enter, control plus F9. Result is 1.00. Oh yeah, got no. See, again we got wrong. It is because I initialized a and b, both of them as integer type. Integer will return integer only. See, 3 is also integer, 2 is also integer. So just now we got answer 1 for in first case. That was because all the variable were in integer type. But now the result point is float. Only the result point is float, but not the variable a and b. So we need to make them also float. You know why? Because integer will give you integer only. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, but being integer they will give you only 1. So once you define them float, float, a equals to 3, b equals to 2, you will get the actual answer. See, we got answer 1.50000. Means we have to, in order to get result in decimal, we need to perform operations as also decimal point, that is float. You could have wrote this also, no problem. Alt F9. Success. See, so float will give you float, integer will give you integer. This is what I wanted to tell you. So 3 divided by 2, if you're working in integer type, then it will give you only 1, not 1.5. So now see you in the next video.